Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to showcase a powerful maintenance dashboard built in Google Local Studio that provides the real-time insight into the maintenance operations, work orders, complaints, downtime, and material status all in one place. And the best part is it is fully interactive. You can filter data by date range. You can filter with machine name, work order number, the purchase requisition number, and the department who is issuing the work orders. And the best part is the dashboard is update dynamically based on your selection, which I will show you later. And you will instantly show how many work orders are completed, how many work orders are pending, how many work orders are in progress, and how many work orders are how many materials are pending, how many materials are receivable, how many complaints are in plant 5 and how many complaints are in plant 2. You can also see the machine wise complaint status. You can also see the department wise complaint status, like the department, like the mechanical maintenance, how many work orders mechanical department completed. 202 are completed, 4 are pending, 16 are in progress, 13 is closed. So, and 5 are the ones which is not started due to the material. Here you can also see the department wise completion ratio, like how many work orders are completed by the departments. So here are the department wise, the department which issues the work order. Uh, Here you can see the status, the department wise. So as you see, the material status is very important. So here is the status or the breakdown of the items which is pending for over 90 days. This dashboard also provides the material related status and the machine complaint status details. Basically, it is the details of the complaint and it is the detail of the material, and it is the material pending, which is the department wise. Like the electrical department pending items are 356, mechanical department is 190, and the utility department is 148. So if I select any one machine, the best part is all the dashboard is changed according to that machine. Like I select Bando 1, so here it is, the completed work order of Bando 1 are 48, pending is 2, in progress are 4, pending item is 37. So, okay, so the 30 work orders completed by maintenance department, and the 13 by automation department. Here is the completion ratio, and here is the, because the bando machine is preprocessing department, so it is the department wise complaint received. So it is the items related to the bando, and it is the complaints related to the bando, and it is the material related to the bando. So additionally, there is a separate sheet dedicated to the downtime analysis, where you can track the machine wise, department wise, plan wise, model wise downtime. So here is the machine wise downtime status, how how many machines are down. You can in the x-axis you can see the machines, and in the y-axis you can see the total downtime, how many machines are here. I can show only total 8 machines and whose downtime is most. So in further, I am showing you the department wise downtime in minutes, the plant wise downtime, a month wise downtime details, and the LR wise downtime details, and the breakdown analysis according to the machine and department wise. The most powerful feature of this dashboard is that as soon you select a specific machine, the entire data sheet transforms accordingly, which I told you earlier, and it helps in making troubleshooting, decision making incredibly efficient. Whether you are a maintenance manager, reliability engineer, or operation head, this dashboard helps you track KPIs, reduce downtime, and improve overall maintenance efficiency. So, if you are looking to build a similar dashboard for your organization, feel free to contact me. Let me know if you like this dashboard. Thank you.